to decide which side to ride. Dog whistles and promises attack your brain. The whole damn country's turning insane. I'll give you more money and I'll stop the boats. They play on your prejudice with their evil quotes. Dog whistles and promises for hate to rise. Not supported by facts, they are just lies. Opinions are formed and online posts agree. It's distorted reality, the truth they just don't see. Opinions are that, they're not facts. I think I believe they're stuck in their tracks. A lost cause fallacy, down the rabbit hole they flee. I'll give you more money and I'll stop the boats. They play on your prejudice with their evil quotes. Dog whistles and promises.